Alright, so, wow, that little break happened just there. What happened was I went and I cut some handle materials and drilled a pinhole out so that I can put a pin through it. So all I'm going to do now is just show you how I go through getting the handle material ready and fit it up just right so that these picks are going to stay in there and not wiggle loose. Alright, let me get you set up and we'll get right to it. Alright, so as you see by my change of clothing, we're in a different day now. Pretty much all I am doing here is I got the root hooks shaped. Well, obviously I got the root hook shaped, but I got the handle material carved out for it to sit inside. I marked one side of it where I'm going to drill the hole, and then once I get that hole drilled, I will then line everything up and drill the second hole so that the pin runs straight through in the right direction for me, and I don't run into any issues with that. So for that, I'll end up using my drill press and try and make this quick and easy for you all, and then we'll go through and begin well, we'll have to 5-minute epoxy to get it all set up, and then we will go through and shape the handles. All right, let's head out to the barn and we'll get to it. Alright, so we're all finished up. I will show you this one right here. That's nice. It's actually got a nice little, I did like a little knife grip on it so that it, I have it pointed way up there, so that it's easier to grip onto when you're poking into the roots. The handle's not dry yet, but I figured I'd do the outro so I can work on getting this two-part video broken up and released out to you all. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not going to show the other one because I'm actually sending that off to somebody as a little surprise early Christmas gift, so that one we'll just leave as a surprise. If they share it, awesome. If not, that's alright too. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel because it helps me out greatly and I'd really appreciate it. If you share my videos, that also helps people find me and check out my videos that I have. If you really like my stuff, hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.